Hello guys, today I will show you a stock that doubled this 6 months, so stay tuned. Hello guys, my name is Abdelkarim, and for today's video I will try to show you a stock that doubled into 6 months. It means for this first 6 months of 2019. Now, there are other stocks that have done better than these stocks. Some they do the same, so some stocks they do less, and some they lose money. But for this specific video, I will just try to show you one. Now, I told you in many other videos and when we do live session that IPOs are the most interesting stocks in the stock market. Now, why? Now, first, IPO, as you might know, are all the new companies they enter to the stock market, and they are called initial public offering. It means when they enter to the stock market, it means they begin trading. Before they were private, so mostly you can't buy those kind of stocks except when you have a lot of money. And now when the stock comes to the stock market, this is what we call IPO momentum. Now, what does it mean? It means some stocks, they don't do well at the beginning, first weeks, first months, first 1 year or two, and then they do good. Some they will never do good, and some from the beginning they show strength and they go as a rocket. Now, I know it's you should search a lot and you should follow a lot to find these stocks, but it's worth it. So I will show you one of the stocks is called Shopify. I understand that you guys, most of you, those who use business or e-commerce, some of you use Shopify. It's like Amazon, okay? It has everything. It's not a market, but it is a website where we can make your store and you can sell things. And you find a lot of ads these years in Facebook and other places. And if you are interested to know what is it, you just go to YouTube and search for how to use Shopify. But for us, we try just to see the stock in this 6 months. So check this chart. Now, as you can see here, see this small trend. Now, this small trend begins from the 26th December 2018. It means here where the this vertical line is where the first day of the trend. Now, this is the trend, as you can see, and here is the support line. It means when the stock has been going up, it has not go down more and more. It just continued to go up until now. So it was $130.21. Now it is $275. It means more than 100%. And as you can see, the trend is very, very nice. It means there is no big drops. No, there is no big corrections like those here. So here, see that? See this here? This is a big correction. But if you can see this big correction, here you don't find it, okay? You don't find it. If you try to measure this correction, you don't find it, see? But here, it was a very big correction, okay? Now, all the stocks that you don't find the sector and the industry are, most of the time, they are called IPOs. And it's called Shopify Inc. and the word SHOP. Okay, so let's continue the thing. Try not to find a reason. Okay, you go to Shopify and you say because of someone has said this, that's why the stock has been going up, or because an analyst has spoken about Shopify, that's why it goes up. No, it goes because of the mood of the market. From 26 December 2018, if you guys have been following me from last year to last December, when I see 26 December, I told you that week that the market is looking so strong. And each week, I try to confirm that, until now. Okay, although these 2 weeks are not that good. So, all these stocks, sometimes they go with the mood of the market, and sometimes IPOs, they go on momentum where they go by themselves. It means mutual funds, big investors, they begin to buy, and because of us, we can't see all the stocks. That's why we miss these opportunities. Now, I told you in other videos, you should do a portfolio and follow the big names. Follow the big names. The big names, it means something that all the people know. For example, this Shopify. Almost all the people who do business, they know Shopify. Okay? And analysts speak about too much when it begins. Now, all the other IPOs, even if they go down, do not forget about them. Because when they go up again, you have the idea that they go down, it's over, which is false. You should put them in a portfolio and wait. Now, any stock can, like an IPO or not IPO, can do the same. But the most important thing I always say is that keep in your portfolio the big names. Search. If you can use my search, like training level 2, how to search for stocks using stock screener. This, you can find this kind of stocks and you can specify IPOs. Okay? Now, but the thing is, even if you don't use my strategies, or you use your own strategies or other people's strategies, if you know where to buy this kind of stocks, you will make big money. Because if you do if you only buy 2 or 3 stocks and you succeed in them in the whole year, you will be making a lot of money at ease, okay, without trading too much. So thank you very much, and see you next time.